In this video, we're going to try to set up a Samsung Tizen screen with DVI in under 3 minutes. So I'm going to start a timer here and see how we go. All right, so here we're starting off in Samsung 0 config. Here's the screen. I've already claimed it because this is a lab one I brought in already. So the serial number is already brought in. I'm going to assign it a profile of our internal running DVI with an ID of 3. We're not going to go through a config of 0 config. I'm just going to save this profile. The screen has been factory reset, and I'm going to power it on for the first time right now. You can see that on the screen. As soon as that comes on, we're going to end up having a welcome screen. We're going to select English. It is wired to my network here. We're then going to be able to accept terms and conditions. Okay to that. And now we are ready for the 0 config, which should apply this profile. And as long as nothing has a headache or issue, you can get that config, download it. There it went just fine. It should now go to DVI, download its app. There you see it's installing the custom app of DVI, which then should give us a code, which we're going to put into this player, which I have prepared. And as you can see here, I had a code from last time. So as soon as that comes up, there we go, B, C, Z. And as you notice, it doesn't really matter if I type caps or not. And this is a behind the scenes thing that we would set up for you. There, that's set. In a moment, you will then see on the bottom, a screen come up saying waiting configuration, waiting for playlist schedule, and then it'll say waiting for media. And while that happens, very soon you should see it come up here in MagicInfo. There it is, waiting for approval. Now this is our internal for management of the product. All right, so it's a very simple process for us. We come in here and say, okay, this is mine, my initials, test QM50. And I'll just okay that. And as you can see on the screen, it's already playing content. All I need to now do is come here and apply my actual policy for it. And in reality, it's done. As you can see, it's online. We are at 2 minutes and 40 seconds, we'll call it. It is playing content. And just to show you that, it is live, I can click reload application and you see the screen reloading and there's the first image again. That's it. Thanks, everyone.